Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make potato curry. This is the South Indian version, served with pooris or fried bread. I'm using 4 russet potatoes. Peel and cut them into 1-inch cubes. 1 large yellow onion chopped, 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger, 3 green chilies slit, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 dried red chili, a sprig or 2 of curry leaves, and ground turmeric. Heat up a pan and add a few tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is very hot, add the mustard seeds and they'll start popping. When they're just about done popping, add the urad dal. They'll turn golden brown. Add the red chili and curry leaves. Then the onions, green chilies, and ginger. Sauté until golden. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric and leave for about 30 seconds until the raw flavor of the turmeric goes away. Add salt and the cut potatoes, about 2 cups of water, bring this to a boil, cover and cook until the potatoes are tender. Stir after a few minutes and make sure there's enough water in the pan. When the potatoes are cooked, mash some of them. There should be some whole pieces of potato and some mashed. Taste and adjust the salt if necessary. And that's it! A really quick and tasty curry, perfect with pooris or chapatis. If you don't want to spend time making pooris, buy wheat tortillas or wraps and fry them. They're a really great substitute with no work. I hope you like this recipe. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you want to get notifications of when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.